अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 57, topic number 95. एतौ सूत्रात्मतैजसौ तदानीं मनोवृत्तिभिः सूक्ष्मविषयानु अनुभवतः प्रविविक्तभुक्तैजसः इत्यादि श्रुतेः. The author Sadananda discussing the topic of subtle universe and subtle bodies. Etau sutratma taijasau. At total level, the subtle universe is called Sutratma. Sutratma or Hiranyagarbha or Sukshma Prapancha we can call with different names. Pranaha also another name we saw. In the topic 91, he has given the three names to the total subtle universe. Sutratma, Hiranyagarbha or Pranaha. So that word he has used here. Etau Sutratma means a total subtle universe. And Taijasau is the individual subtle body. Sukshma Shariram. Both of them, Tadani, Manovrittibhihi, by that mental thoughts, internal thoughts. Vritti means thoughts. Manas means that is which is internal organ, antahkaranam. Vrittibhihi means with those thoughts. Sukshma Vishayan Anubhavataha. Subtle body experience, what type of experience? Subtle experience. Sukshma Vishayan. Objects are also subtle. What do you mean by subtle? Subtle is that which you cannot see with your eyes. Indriya agocharam sukshmam. That which is invisible to your perception. Indriya agocharam. That is called sukshmam. Vishayan, sukshma vishayan. These vishayas are not available for our sense perception. Anubhavataha means experiences. Who experience the subtle body experience? All subtle bodies, when they are experiencing, Sutratma is experiencing. When I am experiencing individually, I am Taijasaha experiencing Veshti. When our all subtle bodies are experiencing, who is experiencing? Sutratma. Where is the difference? Total level, individual level, micro and macro. What is the pramanam? How can you say like that? Mandukyopanishad is the pramanam. Here a small correction. The mantra is not third mantra, it is fourth mantra. Mandukyopanishad, fourth mantra. स्वप्नस्थानान्तः प्रज्ञः सप्तांग एकोनविंशति मुखः प्रविविक्तभुक् तैजसः द्वितीयः पादः. Fourth mantra. Full mantra is that. So the second quarter is Taijasa, that RC2, reflected consciousness, Taijasa means. That is called second quarter. Taijasa, whose field is nothing but a dream state. Sukshma Vishayan means Vasanamaya Shariram. In dream, you cannot see objects. With these eyes, you cannot see, you cannot experience. So, therefore, there it is called Pravivikta Bhuk, who is experiencing subtle universe, subtle objects, whose consciousness is internal, who has 7 limbs and who has got 19 faculties. Subtle body has got how many faculties? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Ekona Vimshati Mukha. That mantra says Ekona Vimshati means 19. 1 less to 20 in Artham. Ekona Vimshati and Vimshati and 20. Eka Unam and 1 less. That is 19. All those 19 faculties are activated in Swapna. That is Vasanamaya Sariram. That Sukshma Shariram functions. Pravivikta Bhuk Taijasaha. Subtle objects it experiences. Ityadi Shrutehi. Adi Padat, many Shrutis are also explaining the same thing, like Mandukya. Up here we saw in the last class. Next, 96th topic we'll read. Atrapi samashti vyashtyoho tadupahita sutratma taijasayoho vana vrikshavat avacchinnakashavaccha jalashaya jalavat tadgata pratibimbakashavaccha abhedah atra api. Here also samashti vyashtyoho. Samashti means total, vyashti means individual level. Tadupahita sutratma taijasayoho. Tadupahita sutratma means that chaitanyam which is available in that sutratma and taijasa. Upahitam means manifesting, that consciousness which is manifesting in the total universe, that consciousness which is manifesting in individual body, subtle body, total subtle universe, individual subtle body, highly technical. Vrikshavat avachinna akashavascha. Vana vrikshavat. Vanam stands for what? Total or individual? Total. Forest. Vriksha means individual. In both, that space is enclosed. Space is there. Where forest is there, space is there. Where one single tree is there, there also space is there. Vana vrikshavat. So vana means sutratma, vriksha means taijasa. Example that is. So here you have to compare tree example for medium. Tree forest example is for medium. Space example for consciousness. Example tree forest you have to take as what? Body, subtle universe. Okay? And space, you have to take it as what? Atma, consciousness. Just as the space is pervading in forest and space is pervading in one tree, there is no difference between the space. Abhedaha. In the last word he says, Abhedaha. Non-difference. There is no bheda. There is no difference. It is one and the same. Avachinna means enclosed, enveloped, surrounded by, encompassed. This is one udaharanam. What is second udaharanam? From the beginning we are seeing the same udaharana. Jalashaya jalavat. Jalashaya means that big lake. Jalashayam, a pond you can take. Jalavat means waters, total water. In small pond, the reflection is there. Tadgata pratibimba akasha. The akasha, the space reflecting in here, in this pond of water, that space reflecting in the ocean, big ocean, waters, reservoir, big water, place. There is no difference in that space. Reflection difference. It may look small, there it looks big. But the same akasha. And the pratibimballo kuda difference kadiyadu. Another example also you can take. Even Surya bimbam. Surya also if you take. Once you take a bucket of water, Surya bimbam is there pratibhimbam, small pratibhimbam, reflection. You take in a big lake or ocean, Surya pratibhimbam is so big. But there is no change in Surya. One and the same. Here, example again, you have to take the Ashtanta. Waters compared to a medium, total medium. The Sutratma. Again, Jalashaya compared to Tejas. The consciousness reflection. Now, that space reflection or Surya reflection, we have to take consciousness reflecting in this body and all subtle bodies is one and the same. Reflections may be different. That who is reflecting is same. Abhedaha. No difference. Jalashaya. Jalavat tadgata pratibimba akashavaccha. Abhedaha. So you should see that only in every person. Aditha paakran. Adi thavara ellame paakron namma. Height, weight, complexion. All we are seeing, but not recognizing that Atma. How can I recognize? Vedanta Sara padichedane recognize panna mudiyum. I have to study. Then only I can recognize. Very difficult to recognize. 97. Evam sukshma sharirotpattihi. Thus, evam, in this manner, sukshma shariram, subtle bodies, origination take place. Utpattihi, origination take place. Now up to here, the topic of subtle universe, subtle bodies over. Up to here you cannot see with your eyes. Scientists do not know this. Shastra only can reveal all these things. Subtle body பத்தி அவங்களுக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. எல்லாமே கண்ணு மூலமா எது பார்க்கறோமோ அதை பத்தி தான் they discover. They do invention now. But Shastra talks about beyond gross body. Now subtle body over, which is the cause of gross body. Now the next topic is the nature of gross bodies. Gross bodies vandada interaction. Subtle bodies lo interaction panna mudiyadu. Reflected consciousness has to come to this subtle body to gross body. Then interaction can be done. That is why we are doing interaction. Swapnala enna interaction pandrom? Onnume kediyadu. No interaction. You cannot enjoy anything. Even you enjoy in dream also, what you have seen in Jagrata Avastha, gross level, that only you are seeing in dream. Gross body illanna, what you can see, what you can get dream. That means there is no dream without gross. Without gross body, gross experiences, you can never dream. So to get dream also, who is important? And a gross body is important. 70 kgs, 80 kgs body is required to experience the dream. Now that gross body topic is coming. We will read this topic. Sthula bhutani tu panchikritani. Until subtle bodies, they are not grossified. All 5 elements are with their own field. They are not having friendship. They are not mixed. All the 5 elements. Ungrossified anartha. Ungrossified apanchikritam sthula bhutani. Now that sukshma bhutani has to become panchikaranam. Sthula bhutani tu, that elements has to be transformed as elementals. Even that 5 elements, when they are in subtle form, you cannot see. Why? Because they are subtle. To see, to experience that subtle universe, they have to become what? Gross. Innu water varla, kannukku theriyira water varla, kannukku theriyira niruppu, and niruppu varla, prithviyum varla, ella subtle form la irukku. Ippoda they are going to become gross. That's Panchikaranam topic is coming now. What we saw in the Tattva Bodha. If you remember Tattva Bodha lesson, you can enjoy. Okay. Panchikaranam tu Akashadi Panchaham Ekaikam Dvidha Samam Vibhajyam Teshu Dashashu Bhageshu Pradhamikan Panchabhagan Pratyekam Chaturtham Samam Vibhajyam Tesham Chaturnam Bhaganam Swaswadvitiyartham Bhaga Parityagenam Bhagantareshu Yojanam. Highly technical, grossified version of subtle elements. How the elements are going to be grossified. Panchikaranam tu. What do you mean by Panchikaranam? Grossification. Grossification means tu is the Vailakshanya Jyotanartham. Not like subtle elements. When you come to the gross elements topic, it is not like subtle elements. Here Akashadi Panchasu. You have to split like that. Akashadi Panchasu Ekaikam. Panchasvekaikam. Sandhi seta. Panchasu plus Ekaikam. Panchasvekaikam. Pronounce pandrathe kashtam. Akashadi means space, air, fire and waters and earth. All these 5 elements, Panchasu, among them, Ekaikam, one element you take up now. For salad panna poram. Okay, salad. Ekaikam, Dvidha, Samam Vibhajya. You take space element first, make it half. For a circle pottukonga ippadi or vattagam, you know, zero potti periya zero pottukonga adu make a line appo 50% 50%, top 50 down 50. Okay, adha dvidha samam vibhajya, and the line keela mela pokudadu, middle la irukana correct ah enna 50 50 illana appuram thagara kashtam varum. You have to share 50-50. Vibhajya means divide. Dividing, dvidha means two halves. Teshu dasheshu bhageshu. Now how many 5 elements? You divide 2, 5 into 2. Each element lo 2 divisions. So 5 elements. How many divisions we got now? 10 divisions. Adada dashasu. Dashasu, teshu dashasu bhageshu. In those, among those 10 divisions, what we have to do? Each element has got 2 divisions, 5 elements, totally 10 divisions. Pradhamikan panchabhagan. And the top 50% irukkalaya, 50 portion, 50, 50, 50, 50, Anjila. Adi Pradhamikam. Pradhamikam na main portion. Keela irukkiradhu secondary. Appadi namu divide pannikalam. Pradhamikan, Panchabhagan, Pratyekam. Oru element lo and the half top portion ni 4 division pannungo. Again you draw 3 lines on the top. Ippadi. Vertical. You draw 3 lines. Appo any division, ethana division aachu? Line 3 da. 4 divisions vandachu. If 50% ni and the 4 divide pannungo, 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half. And the 4 divisions. 4 12 and half evla? Enna kanakku? 50. Correct ah pochu illaya? So each division has got how much? 12 and half. இல்லையா? கீழே பார்ட்டுமோ 50 அப்படியே இருக்கு. மேலே பார்ட் வந்து 4 டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டோம். It has to be done in which element? All elements we have to do. Just as you do in the space element, similarly same do. 5 ஒட்டகம் போட்டுக்கணும். 5 circles you have to put. புரியுதா? ஒரே சர்க்கிள்ல எல்லாம் போடாதுங்க. First circle lo 2 divisions plus 4 divisions top. Air also you can draw a circle. Again line 4 divisions on the top. Again fire also like that only. Okay? போட்டுட்டேன பொம்மை காணுமே. நான் எல்லாம் அப்படிதான் பண்ணேன். நோட்ஸ் எழுதும் போது டக் டக் டக்குன்னு பிக்சர் போட்டுக்கணும். And 4 divisions. Again waters 2 division plus 4 division. And Prithvi, earth, 2 divisions and 4 divisions. Correct? Now 50 irukku ella elements lo and 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half in each element la irukku. Ipo enna pannanom? Ipo division panni adha teshu dashashu bhageshu pradhamikan panchabhagan pratyekam chaturdha samam vibhajya. That's what we have done now. பண்ணிட்டேடோ? பிரத்யேகம் சதுர்தா விபஜ்யா, 4 பாகமா பண்ணணும். Now I show the 3 fingers. How many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. புரியுது? அது 3 lines போட்டாலே 4 division வந்துடும். Okay? What happens next? Tesham chaturdham bhaganam அந்த 4 பாகங்கள் இருக்கு இல்லையோ மேலே, சதுர்த்தாம் தேஷாம் பாகானாம் ஸ்வஸ்வத்விதீயார்த்தம் பாக பரித்யாகேன. ஸ்வஸ்வத்விதீயார்த்தம் என்ன? அந்த 50 கீழே இருக்கிற 15 விட்டுட்டு இந்த மேலே இருக்கிற 12.5 this space has to give to other 4 elements. இந்த ஸ்பேஸ் போய் என்ன பண்ணணும்? she has to talk with Vayu. You take 12.5 from me, share. And the space has to go to what? Agni. You take another 12.5. Okay? And the space has to go to waters. And has to say what? You take another 12.5 from me. And last 12.5 to whom? Earth. Kali, male portion. 50 da irukku. Similarly, the Vayu also has to go to space, give 12.5 and give the 12.5 to the fire, waters and earth. Again, that Agni has to go to space, give its 12.5 and its 12.5 to Vayu, its 12.5 to earth, its 12.5 to Jalam. Again, that Suchuvan Jalam also should go. And the 12.5 it has to share with other elements. Even earth also has to share elements. And the கீழே இருக்கிற 50 அப்படியே இருக்கு. மேலே என்னாச்சு இப்போ? இந்த 12.5 ஆகாசம் இருக்கு, 50 ஆகாஷா. அந்த டாப் போர்ஷன் 12.5 வாயு, 12.5 Agni, 12.5 waters, 12.5 Prithvi. அதே மாதிரி Vayu also. 50 is Vayu, other 50 is other 4 elements. Agni, 50 is same, its own property. Other than lame share. Prithvi also like that. Now, in each element, all other 4 are there, but ratio is less. Ratio is less. This is called Panchikaranam. Fruit salad cholre. Okay, mango juice, grapes, bananas, orange, then what? Innor fruit vechukongle. Watermelon. Ella ஒரு plate la vechiru. Okay, make it half in every plate. And each plate எடுத்துட்டு போய் அந்த ஒரு ஸ்பூன் இதுல போடணும். அந்த டாப் இருக்கிற போர்ஷன்ல ஷேர் பண்ணணும், காலி பண்ணணும், கொஞ்சம் வெச்சுக்க கூடாது. அந்த 12.5 you put in other plates. Similarly, take another fruit, 50% இருக்கட்டும், top portion you have to share. Now இப்ப என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, all that 5 fruits are mixed salad. எது predominant இருக்குமோ, மேங்கோ predominant இருந்ததுன்னா இது மேங்கோ சலாட் னு சொல்லலாம். எது predominant அதன பேர் தானே சொல்லணும். Brothers, when they are constructing a house, 5 brothers, 5 பேர் ஷேர் இருக்கு அதுல. All 5 brothers have share, but eldest brother has got more share, 50% share. All other of brothers give only 12.5 lakhs, 12.5 lakhs, 12.5 lakhs, 50 lakhs from others, 4 lakhs, 50 lakhs. This brother 50 lakhs. Whose name you have to keep to that house? யாரது நிறைய போர்ஷன் இருக்கோ, ஷேர் இருக்கோ, அந்த பிரதர் பேரு தான் சொல்லணும். இல்லை யார் வீடப்பா இதுன்னு 12.5 lakhs கொடுத்தானே அவனு பேர் சொல்லக்கூடாது. யார் பேர் சொல்லணும்? 50 lakhs யார் கொடுத்தானோ அவனு பேர் தான் சொல்லணும். நியாயம் தானே? இப்போ இந்த ஆகாஷத்து பேர் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னா, because Akasha has got 50%, other elements have got only 12%, 12.5, therefore Akasha name. It is called as Akasha. Similarly, Vayu also more portion. Similarly, Agni. Similarly, water. Similarly, earth. Very interesting. Panchikaranamane taniya book irukku. அது ஒரு book. இப்போ நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றதுன்னா elaborately they write so many pages என்ன whole creation இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. Now we are able to listen that sound because of ears. அதுதான் சொல்ல போறாரு. தேஷாம் சதுர்ணாம் பாகானாம் ஸ்வஸ்வத்விதீயார்த்தம் பாகம் பரித்யாகேன. அந்த 50 தொடாது, அது தொடக்கூடாது. பரித்யாகேன, give up that. Then bhagantareshu yojanam. Other bhagams are there, no? 12 and half, 12 and half yojanam. You mix them. You mix them. Now in every element, other element share is there. புரியுறதோ? புரியணும். ஓகே, தத்துவ போதனே புரியும், இங்கே கண்டிப்பாக புரியும். அதில் டிராயிங் பண்ணால் நல்லா புரியும். இதில் புரியாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன இருக்க? வெரி சிம்பிள். That's what is a pramanam. Panchadashikara Vidyaranya Swami, same thing he writes in a sloka form. That sloka author gives here. Topic number 100. Taduktam vidha vidhaya chaikaikam Chaturdha pradhamam punaha Swasvetarad-dvitiyamshaihi Yojanat pancha panchate. The same thing he explained in the sloka form. That's all. Sloka chapter, in the first chapter, Panchadashi 27. One of the best text to study. I will take later, not now. To study Panchadashi, you require some more study, no? Texts. Adi padicha podum. Big book. Okay, we'll read. Vidha vidhaya. It is said in Tadukta, means the same grossification topic described in the Panchadashi, Taduktam, what it said, vidha vidhaya, dividing each element into 2 equal halves. Vidhaya, vidha vidhaya, dividing each element into 2 equal halves. Ekaikam chaturtha, and 1/2 of each again into 4. Adi chaturtha ekaikam. Pradhamam punaha, equal parts. Swasvetarad-dvitiyamshaihi, equal parts. The Lord mixed the subtle elements. Swasvetarad-dvitiyamshaihi yojanat. Their own portion they give to the other elements. Yojanat, joining, mixing. Pancha panchate, all 5 elements mixed with the other elements. Friendship. இவள்ள கஷ்டம் இந்த கிராஸ் பாடி வரதுக்கு. இன்னும் தெரியாது எப்படி வருது. பசிக்கிறது சுவாமி, சாப்பிட்றோம். தூக்கம் வருது, தூங்குறோம். This is the subject. Everything we study except our bodies. Our body also they study anatomy. What? Heart, lungs, kidneys. அதுதான். அதுக்கு மேலே படிக்க மாட்டான். எப்படி வந்து இந்த கிராஸ் பாடின்னு யாருக்கு தெரியாது. Except Shastra. Vedam படிச்சாதான் தெரியும். Without Shastra, you cannot know how this body has come. It's amazing. All 5 elements are there in this body. Because it is made up of 5 elements. However much powder you apply, whom you are applying? 5 elements you are applying. You are wearing saree to whom? All 5 elements. For 5 elements you are giving everything. Panchabhuta udal. Panchabhuta udal made up of 5 elements. ஞாபகம் இருக்க? இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியல. Not to you, worldly people. That is the meaning of this Panchadashi Shloka. So that each gross element will come. Now gross elements வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே gross body வர முடியும். Sthula Panchabhutani has taken place. Now you can see them with your eyes. நீ வரல sir. You have not come. They have come. They are ready to give what? Gross body. And the next will come. Asya pramanyam na shankaniyam trivut karanashrutehe trivut karanashrutehe panchikaranasya api upalakshanatvat. Here a small question. In some places we listen Trivrit Karanam. In Chandogya Upanishad we heard that Agni is the first element born. There it is said Tasam Trivritam Ekaikam Karavani iti Chandogya Upanishad. It came 6th chapter. Tattvamasi Prakaranalo 3rd section 3rd mantra. It is said Trivritam Tasam Trivritam Ekaikam Karavani iti. There are no 5 elements there, only fire, water, earth. 3 elements. What about Akasha and Vayu? That Shastra says, taken it as granted. You understand they are there. Upalakshanatvat. They are the clues, indications. What? Asya pramanyam na shankaniyam. Since Shastra talks about Trivrit Karanam, and here he is talking about Panchikaranam, 5 elements. What is the authenticity? How we can reconcile this difference? Pramanya means authenticity, authoritativeness. We should not doubt. Na shankaniyam. Na shankaniyam, na shankaniyam. We should not doubt it. Where? Trivritkarana shrutehe. And the Trivritkaranam, where the Shruti Chandogya Upanishad talks about that Trivritkaranam, Panchikaranasya api upalakshanatvat. So that Trivritkaranam is from the Shruti, the Panchikaranam is from the Smriti. How you have to understand this? We should not doubt that what it is said in that Shastra. Non-validity, apramanam, non-validity or invalidity should not be thought of, even though it is indirectly mentioned. Upalakshanatvat means, upalakshana means indication or clue. Because these elements combination is upalakshana. These elements combination is upalakshanam or indirect revelation. Upalakshanatvat. Indirect revelation for elemental combination. Therefore, its validity you should not question. Akasha Vayupati sollaliyenga Chandogyanlo. Adnala you should not question that its validity. Enna Panchikaranam inga pesittam illaya? Since Panchikaranam has come, the topic, it is a clue. There also you have to supply Akasha and Vayu. Upalakshana means indicator, clue. What is the indicator clue? This Panchikaranam is the clue to accept that Vayu and Akasha in Chandogya Upanishad also. Another Vedantacharya, he says, here author mentions, one author, great Acharya writes, why Upanishad didn't mention in Chandogya Upanishad? எதுக்கு அக்னியிலிருந்து மாத்திரமே சொல்லிருக்கு, ஆகாஷ வாயு பத்தி சொல்லலையேன்னா சொல்ல வேண்டிய தேவை இல்லைன்னா அவர் சொல்றாரு. அந்த மாதிரி சொல்ல வேண்டிய தேவையே இல்லைன்னா, ஏன்னா அக்னி ஜலம் பிருத்வி எங்க இருக்க முடியும்? ஆகாஷம்ல தான் இருக்க முடியும். அதுக்கு சொல்லணுமா என்ன? சோ இந்த மூடு இருக்குன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஆகாசத்துல தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப நான் ஆகாசம் இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லணுமா என்ன? அவர் சொல்றாரு. கரெக்ட் தானே? அதே மாதிரி பிகாஸ் ஆகாஷ இஸ் சர்வகதா, ஆல் பர்வேடிங். அந்த ஆல் பர்வேடிங்ல தான் திஸ் அக்னி ஜலம் அண்ட் பிருத்வி கேன் எக்ஸிஸ்ட். therefore you understand that. You understand that the space is there. Therefore that is the indication where these three are existing. Fire, water, earth is existing. That existing means you have to understand what? There is space. Adhe madri Vayu also all pervading. Air principle also all pervading. In all pervading air principle, in the mood engi irukka mudiyum? Agni, fire, waters and earth, where they can be? Where Vayu is not there, they can exist. Where Vayu is not there, அந்த பிளேஸே கிடையாது. ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லாத இடம் கிடையாது, வாயு இல்லாத இடம் கிடையாது. அப்ப அக்னி இருக்கு, வாட்டர் இருக்கு, பிருத்திவி இருக்குன்னு எங்க இருக்க முடியும்? ஆகாஷன்ல தான் இருக்க முடியும், வாயுல தான் இருக்க முடியும். So taken, this is called Upalakshanam, Arthapatti Pramanam. Next, he is clarifying that in the next month topic. 102, topic number 102. We will read. Panchanam panchatmakatve samane api teshu cha Vaisheshyatu tadvadaha iti nyayena akashadivyapadeshaha. Since Chandogya Upanishad Akasham patti pesale, how can you give the name Akasha? A question, a doubt. When the Akasha name itself has not arisen in Chandogya, how can you talk about this Akasha word? The name, how can you give? For this he gives a nyayam. What is that? Panchanam panchatmake. Through these 5 gross elements, panchatmakatve samanin, they are alike in so far each of them contain 5 elements. So each of them contain 5 elements. Whatever the top portion, it has got predominantly, he says, teshu cha Vaisheshyat. Vaisheshyat na predominance. Predominance. This is from Brihadaranyaka Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra, 2nd chapter, 4th Adhikaranam, 22nd Sutra. Vaisheshyat Brahma Sutra nu irukku Nyaya Grantham. நியாய கிரந்தம் ஃபுல்லி லாஜிக்கல், ஃபுல்லி லாஜிக். அது அப்புறம் பிருகதாரண்யம் படித்து அது படிக்க போகிறோம். பிரம்மசூத்திரம் அப்போ தான் ஸ்டடி கம்ப்ளீஷனே. 10 Upanishads, whoever study, they are fit to study Brahma Sutra. After completion of Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, 10 Upanishads and Brahma Sutra, then your Vedanta study is completed అని అర్థం. అది ఎత్తన వర్షం ఆగున్నా இன்னொரு 15 வருஷம் ஆகும். ஏன்னா இந்த பிருகதாரண்யம் முடிக்கிறதுக்கே இன்னொரு 1.5 year ஆகும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு மினிமம் 8 years it will take. Only Brahma Sutra. 550 sutras are there. All Upanishads are analyzed, threadbare analysis. அதுக்கு தான் அது நியாய பிரஸ்தானம் అని பேர். Bhagavad Gita is Smriti Prasthanam. Upanishads are called Shruti Prasthanam. Brahma Sutra is called as Nyaya Prasthanam. So Smriti Prasthanam படிச்சிருக்கோம். Shruti Prasthanam also we are studying. அது முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் Nyaya Prasthanam. By that time we have to sharpen our intellect. இல்லைன்னா வேதாந்தம் சாருக்கு மேலே போயிடும், ஹெட்டுக்கு மேலே போயிடும். அது then only your intellect can be convinced how Advaita Atma is Ekaha, how Vyasa Bhagavan established. அந்த பிரம்மசூத்திரம்ல ஒரு சூத்திரம் இது. இந்த ஒரு சூத்திரம் என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா, வைசேஷ்யாத்து, tu means to differentiate. Vaisheshyat, predominance, to differentiate the predominance. Since in the Akasha name is given to that element because the 50% of predominance is there of that space, therefore it has to be given what name? Akasha. Akasha has to give, that name has to be given. Therefore, tadvada tadvadaha. Vadaha means meaning. Meaning. Tadvada tadvadaha tadvadaha iti nyayena. Vadaha means what? Meaning. Because of the predominance of that Akasha, to differentiate the other elements, it has to be given what name? Akasha. Akasha cannot be called as Agni. Akasha cannot be called as Vayu. Akasha cannot be called as waters. Akasha cannot be called as earth. Why? Predominance. I have 50% share of me. How can I lose my name? We live. We don't live, no? கோர்ட்டுக்காவது போடுவோம். ஸோ இப்போ நியாயம் தானே, இது நியாயேனா. இந்த பிரம்மசூத்திர நியாயம் பிரகாரமா ஆகாஷாதி வியபதேச. வியபதேச means named as. Akashadi. Since it has got predominance, it is called Akasha. Vayu name is given because of its predominance. Agni name, fire name has been given to that because of its predominance. And water, that name also been given because of its predominance. And earth also given because of its predominance. So you cannot touch, you cannot disturb anybody's predominance. Jagrata. Sthana balam. Sthana balam kaani tana balami kaadaya anna. The mudalai and the crocodile, when it is in waters, it can catch even the elephant. Is it not? It can pull the elephant, any animal it can pull and drag into the waters. Ade crocodile, when it comes onto the earth, dogs have to catch and eat. Same crocodile. Why? What happened to its strength? Its strength is as long as it is in waters. Its place. Sthana balam. That is called sthana balam. That is why crocodile is so powerful, strong. When it is strong, like that, Akasha is powerful. Therefore, you have to give Akasha Vyapadeshaha. It has to be called as, named as, the group is named after dominant element. Every group. How many groups are there? 5 groups. Every group has to be called by its name based on composition, dominance. The group is named as after the dominant element. At that time of grassification, next he talks. What will happen? Grassification over. Kashtapatti. Idu purinjitom. Now what will happen? You see, very, very important. 103 topic number. Tadanim akashem shabdaha abhivyajyate vayau shabdasparshau agnau shabdasparsha rupani apsu shabdasparsha rupa rasaha prithivyaam shabdasparsha rupa rasa gandhascha ஸ்பிளிட்டே பண்ண முடியாது. புரியுறது, நான் சொல்லவே வேண்டாம் உங்களுக்கு. You are all advanced students. Tadanim, at the time of grassification, beautiful topic. How you have got that hearing capacity, how you got seeing capacity, how you have got this smelling capacity, how you have got this taste capacity, touch capacity. This is the subject to study. நான் ஆஃபீஸ் போகிறேன், நிறைய வேலை பண்ணுறேன், கிச்சன் ரூமில் இருக்க நிறைய வேலை பண்ணுறேன். எதுக்கப்பா இது புரியலன்னா? அது எல்லாமே இந்த படிப்புக்காக தான். புரியுறதா? At the time of grassification, tadanim akashe shabdaha abhivyajyate. Once the combination has taken place, salad start ஆகும்போது shabdam om echo comes. That shabda has come. When the moment the grassification has taken place and the sound has come from Akasha. How do you know? Akasha shabda gunam mane eppadi theriyumna? Swamini, Akashana shabda irukku eppadi theriyumna? Rendu margam adukku. By separation, by association. Viyoga samyoga dwara you can know. You tear the paper, viyoga, dissociation. You tear the paper, shabda varuma varada. That shabda belongs to paper. Paper la shabdam irukuma? Irukka mudiyadu. Paper la enga irukku shabdam? Once you tear it, your sound varum. வீட்டுக்கு போய் டேர் பண்ணி பாருங்க. வேதாந்த சாராவை டேர் பண்ணாதீங்க. வீட்டுக்கு போய் டேர் பண்ணி பாருங்க. நைட்டு சவுண்ட் இல்லாத டைம்ல அது ஒரு சவுண்ட். Therefore there is sound in Akasha. And clap, join both hands. Association clap lo sound varum. The echo sound one. That is called Omkara. Om sound. Shabdam, Akasham Shabda Gunakam. Shabda Swarupam. And the Akashathula the Omkaram, Omkara Shabda Swarupam, a Omkaram the Ella Vedangal irukku. And the Vedangal the all rishis heard from Akasha. They received, that's why they are called rishis. Receivati iti rishi. Just as our transform, TV antenna. Transforms all waves into pictures. Cricket, விளையாடுற எங்க இருக்கேன்னா cricket அந்த ஆண்டெனால இருக்கேன்னா கிடையாது. It converts. ஆகாசம்ல இந்த சப்தம் இருக்கிறது, it has converted as Veda mantra heard by rishis. Now we are all TV rishis. டிவி ஓபன் பண்ணா நமக்கு டிவி நல்லா பார்க்கறோம், அதுதான் தெரியும் நமக்கு. அதுக்குதான் அதுக்கு டெலிவிஷன், தூர தர்ஷன். எங்கேயோ நடக்கிற தூரமா இருக்கும் போது எப்படி தர்ஷனம் பண்றோம்னா அந்த தூரதர்ஷனே இப்படி காமிக்கும் போது ரிஷிஸ் லிசனிங் த வேத மந்த்ராஸ் ஃப்ரம் ஆகாஷா. இஸ் இட் நாட் பாசிபிள்? டெஃபினெட்லி இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள். தட்ஸ் வை வாட் எவர் வேதா சேஸ் இட் இஸ் பிரமாணம். வேத சப்தம் from akasha it has come. Shabda swarupam. Abhivyajyate means manifest, comes out, emerges from akasha. Then vayu shabda sparshau. Since vayu is born from akasha, அப்பா குணம் குழந்தைக்கு வருமா வராதா? அப்பாவுக்கு நல்ல மேக்ஸ் வந்தா குழந்தைக்கு கூட வரும். அவருக்கு 90 மார்க்ஸ் வந்து இவனுக்கு 90 வரும். அவருக்கு 10 மார்க்ஸ் வந்து இவனுக்கு 10 மார்க்ஸ் தான். அது மாதிரி ஸோ அப்பா குணம் என்ன? ஆகாஷ குணம், சப்த குணம் கம்ஸ் டு வாயு. அந்த வாயு குணம் என்ன? ஸ்வகுணம், ஸ்பர்ஷ. அண்ட் பாரோஸ் த சப்த குணம் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஓன் குணம். அப்போ ஆகாஷ ஹேஸ் காட் ஹவு மெனி குணாஸ்? ஆகாஷ ஹேஸ் காட் 1 guna, வாயு 2 gunas. Next week. Okay. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः